Welcome to Temple Builders Carpentry. Temple Builders. We problem solvers. Temple Builders safety first. Okay, Temple Builders, today we talking about headers, okay? Now, a header is a beam over an opening that distribute the structural load to the outside of the opening and keep the structural integrity, okay? Now, if you ain't seen my video that I did right before this one called the exterior wall anatomy, you need to see that because you can see the position of a header, okay? It's going to be open. It's going to be over maybe a window rough opening or either a door rough opening, okay? That's where a header is going to be, okay? Now, if you look right here, I'm giving you different ways you can set up a header, okay? Now look right here. This is a solid header, okay? Because it's a solid piece of wood, okay? Now you can use 2x4s as your framing, or you can use also 2x6s, okay? Now 2x6 is gonna allow you to have thicker insulation, but we're gonna say we're building the wall from 2x4s, okay? So if we're building the wall from 2x4s, we'll use a solid 4x4 header, okay? Because if you look at this 2x4, see, these drawings are to scale. So if you look at this 2x4, it's this solid 4x4 header is gonna fit flush over these studs, or what you'll call this header is gonna be held up by trimmer studs, what's also called jack studs, okay? Now if you use the 4x4, okay, so from this header up to your double top plate, you're gonna need cripple studs, okay? As opposed to something like this header. This header would be a 2x12, okay? Now a 2x12 wide header can be used to accommodate a 6-foot 8-inch door in an 8-foot 1-inch standard wall, okay? A 8-foot 1-inch standard wall. In a 8-foot 1-inch standard wall, this header would not need any cripple studs, okay? It's gonna run from the very top of your door opening, okay, all the way up to your double top plate. Okay, if you look at this 2x12, okay, I have a spacer. This spacer right here can be made up of OSB, plywood. I seen guys put a half an inch of drywall in there, but I don't advise that you do that, okay? And that right there will fit right over here flush, okay, right over stud flush, a trimmer stud, okay? Now look at how this one is made, same way. Now this style is called sandwich beam, okay? Two pieces of bread and a bologna. Well, 2 pieces of bread and the bologna, okay? Which is two 2x4s, okay, and a half an inch, like I said, OSB plywood. It don't matter, okay? Now we know that this is 1.5 inches and this is 1.5 inches, okay? Which makes 3 inches, and then plus the half an inch is gonna give you your 3.5 inches for you can sit flush, okay? So I hope this helped y'all out, just different ways that you can do headers. And this one just got a 2x4 right here at the bottom, okay, to strengthen it, okay? I don't see why you can't put another 2x4 on top, okay? And then have your cripple studs going from there up to the double top plate, okay? So like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, become my apprentice. Temple Build.